as cruel as a normal person waiting after school for the you want to know if you're normal too. Well, are you? Are you? I'm so confused. Am I a normal person? They know I can't tell if I'm a normal person. It's true, I think I'm cruel enough, but am I cruel enough?